Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add an Apple ID to family sharing in 2024 step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now use the search bar at the top and type in Family Sharing. When it appears, tap on Setup Family Sharing. Then select Family and hit the Continue button. Apple will now ask permission to use your Apple ID to manage the family group. Go ahead and confirm that. From here, you have two main options. You can either invite something using their Apple ID or you can create child account. If you're creating a child account, you'll need to enter a few details. Start with your child's first and last name, then set their date of birth. Once that's done, the new Apple ID will be added to your family sharing group. And remember, child accounts stay in your family group until they are at least 13 years old. That's it, super simple. Now you know how to add an Apple ID to family sharing the right way in 2024. If this helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one with fresh content.